final lesson, which is some verses from the book of Isaiah, and we can get some vocabulary and some grammar out of these verses. Our method is to come up with either shoresh or otherwise vocabulary in a simple form, and we always make it in red, and try and find this vocabulary inside the verses. Gideon, would you be kind enough to lead us in the vocabulary? This will be a good way for you to warm up before you do an entire Hebrew verse.
Yes.
Oh, again, I'm not showing. Please, thank you very much. Okay, so let's look at our vocabulary. Let's take a look at our friend Isaiah. Now we can take a look at the vocabulary before we read the verse. Go ahead, Gideon, you can lead us in this.
Yeah. Amar.
Beautiful.
Yashav.
Good.
Ir.
Nice.
Bana.
Well done.
Harav.
Very nice. Now we're going to take the first vocabulary word and we're going to look for it in our verse. The verb amar, to say. Let's take a look together. Can anybody see that word in our verse?
Yes, in the first line.
Yes.
Well done, both. You'll notice, though, that the vowels have changed and we've added a prefix. Joseph, well done. That means that he says. That one shall say is the way you would translate it, but it's that he says. We're used to ha meaning the, but in this case it means he who says, or that which is said, or that which is said. Let's try another one. How about the next one, yashav? Can we find this instance in our verse? Now be careful, because sometimes we only have two of the three neno, or rather letters. We only have two of the three letters. So let's see if we can find the root yashav in our verse. Any ideas?
Yes.
Okay.
The second line, first word.
Well done. Do you want to give us that word kindly?
Yes.
Well done. Well done.
To shout.
Very nice. Joseph, you have to give your brother Gideon a chance.
Okay.
Will be habited. Will be inhabited. So we start with the word yashav, which means to sit, but it also has the sense of inhabiting or dwelling. Like unaishi, I dwell, I live. Ani, it would be in Hebrew, ani yoshev b'kilamani, I live in Kilamani, unaishi Kilamani, something like that. And this tushav is will be settled. It's called a passive form. Let's try another one. So this, by the way, Maria and Marjorie, is an opportunity to use both our ears and our eyes. Even if the letters are unfamiliar, we can still connect with these words simply by recognizing them visually. How about the next one, Gideon, ear?
Ir. Yes.
Can we find an instance of ear?
Yeah.
This is a tricky one.
Yeah, it is there.
Okay.
Ul-ar. Ul-are.
Beautiful. So in this case, we start with ear. We drop the yud in order to make the plural arim, would be the plural of ear is arim, but then we abbreviate it further into what's called a construct state, are, which means cities of, and then we have u le are. Do you want to try that? Joseph, are is cities of. How about the u and the li? Do you remember either? Yeah. Is and.
Oh.
How about li? Do you recall li? We'll go over our prepositions. We haven't done a lot of review of this, but it's to or for. So, u, li, are.
Of the.
Right, and to the cities of. So the full phrase is ul are. And again, when we have one of these prepositions, it's an exception to our stop sign rule. You'd stop with u, then li are, and to the cities of Yehuda, to the cities of Judah. Very nice. The next one, Joseph, your turn is bana. Can we find an instance of bana? Again, you might only get 2 of the 3 letters.
Yes.
Okay,
The third line,
right.
the second word.
Well done. Do you want to pronounce that for us kindly?
Yes. Tibanina.
Right. And this is an exception rule we haven't learned, but with some of these suffix endings, possessives or masculine or feminine indicators, it would be the penultimate syllable that's accented, tibanena.
Tibanena.
Beautiful. And that means will be built. Marjorie, are you still with us?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you. Take a look at this last word. It's charav. It means to destroy. So get it into your mind's eye. Charav. Can you find the word charav built into
Yes.
a word in our verse? Let's see if Marjorie can find it.
Okay.
Do you see it, daughter? Okay. Anybody else spot the charav?
The last
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, Marjorie's got it. Go ahead, Marjorie. Where do you see it?
the third line at the first word.
The first word. Very nice. Gideon, can you give us this pronunciation kindly?
Yes. Vehar
Beautiful.
Voteha.
Beautiful. And again, some of this is kind of an exception area we haven't discussed too often, but some of these suffixes that have possessive meanings, the accent would be on the penultimate. So the charvoteha, the charvoteha.
Vehar Voteha.
Beautiful. Together, everyone, the charvoteha.
Vehar Voteha.
Voteha.
Beautiful. Very nice. I heard lots of good pronunciation. Congratulations. So then we're really using our ear, which of course is very important as well. Ha'omer lirushalayim tushav. And it will be said for Jerusalem, tushav, ye shall be inhabited. Ula'are Yehuda, and concerning the cities of Judah, tibanenna, they shall be built up. V'charvoseha, v'charvoteha, and that which was laid waste, which was destroyed, akomein, we shall rise up, we shall cause to be raised up. So this is obviously Isaiah giving us some encouragement that the Jerusalem that was destroyed by enemies will be built up once more. So these are our verses of hope for us. Joseph, would you give us the recitation of the second verse, and then Maria will will give us the translation, and then we can wish each other a good night.
Yes. Vanu Mimcha
Nice. Nice.
Harvot Olam
Beautiful.
Mosdei
Mhm.
Dor Vador
Wow, nice.
Chekomein.
Beautiful. Maria, could you kindly give us the translation?
And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places, that thou shalt raise up the foundations of many generations.
Beautiful. So again, words of hope for us. Beautiful job. Just really nice, everyone. It's a pleasure as usual. Congratulations, Marjorie, on advancing with new letters. Well done. And Maria, beautiful work. Thanks, everybody. I wish you a lala vizuri.
Leila Tov.
Thank you very much.
But America it is today.
Right. But you know, I'm 64 years old, so it could still be lala vizuri.
Oh,
No. Anyway, I'll stay up for a few more hours. Bye-bye.
Bye.
bye.
Bye bye all.
Bye-bye.